DGPS surveyors are professionals who specialize in conducting surveys using Differential Global Positioning System, DGPS, technology. One such experienced and reliable DGPS surveyor is Ram Puri. Ram Puri has established himself as a prominent figure in the field of surveying, known for his expertise in utilizing DGPS technology for accurate and precise measurements. With his extensive knowledge and years of experience, Ram Puri has become a trusted name among clients who seek efficient and reliable surveying services. Ram Puri's expertise lies not only in DGPS surveying but also in Scon design. Scon design refers to the process of creating detailed plans and layouts for the installation of scones, which are decorative wall-mounted light fixtures. As a surveyor specializing in Scon design, Ram Puri understands the importance of meticulous planning and precise measurements to ensure that the scones are installed in the most aesthetically pleasing and functional manner. Ram Puri's approach to DGPS surveying and Scon design is characterized by a commitment to excellence and attention to detail. He utilizes state-of-the-art DGPS equipment to gather accurate data, which is then analyzed and processed to create comprehensive survey reports. These reports serve as valuable tools for various industries, including construction, infrastructure development, and urban planning. In addition to his technical expertise, Ram Puri is known for his professionalism and client-centric approach. He understands the unique requirements of each project and works closely with clients to deliver customized solutions that meet their specific needs. Whether it is conducting surveys for large-scale infrastructure projects or designing scones for residential properties, Ram Puri ensures that every aspect of his work is executed with precision and efficiency. Professionals with expertise in using the Differential Global Positioning System, DGPS, to conduct surveys are known as DGPS surveyors. Ram Puri is one such qualified and dependable DGPS surveyor. Ram Puri has made a name for himself in the surveying industry as a recognized expert in the use of DGPS technology for precise and accurate measurements. Ram Puri has earned a solid reputation among clients looking for effective and trustworthy surveying services because of his in-depth expertise and years of experience. Ram Puri is an expert in Scon design in addition to DGPS surveying. The process of drafting precise plans and layouts for the installation of scones, which are decorative wall-mounted light fixtures, is referred to as Scon design. Ram Puri, a surveyor with expertise in Scon design, is aware of the value of careful planning and exact dimensions to make sure that the scones are installed in the most aesthetically beautiful and practical way possible. A dedication to excellence and attention to detail define Ram Puri's approach to DGPS surveying and Scon design. He collects precise data using cutting-edge DGPS technology, which is subsequently examined and processed to produce in-depth survey results. For a variety of businesses, such as building, infrastructure development, and urban planning, these reports are useful tools. Along with his technical proficiency, Ram Puri is renowned for his